Hey guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing another indie beauty spotlight. We are spotlighting Apocalyptic Beauty. I found them on Instagram and they have a pretty small following in terms of beauty brands. They're only at about 11,000 followers. And they had a mystery basket for Easter, and so I got one. And so today we are going to see what they sent me for my Easter basket. If you are interested in this video, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so like I said, Indie Spotlight, Apocalyptic Beauty, found them on Instagram. They do a seasonal mystery basket 4 times a year, I think, at like the major holidays, so like Easter, Christmas, something or other. And I got the Easter basket one. I think it was about $20, and it comes in this little basket and it's themed. So obviously Apocalyptic Beauty is very kind of goth, obviously. This is her card that she sent, or I assume it's a she. It could be a he. I'm not really quite sure. But Apocalyptic Beauty, stand beautiful amid the ruins. That is their address, their website, and their Instagram. I will link all of that down in the description box below. And then this is the card that came in the Easter basket, showing you all of the variations of the things that you could get. What I like about this basket right off the bat in terms of branding is that it is Eastery, but it is still like a gothic Easter, right? She has skull and crossbone ribbon, black grass. There's still carrots and Easter eggs, but there's also like zombie stickers. There also is a whole bunch of candy, as well as some like Halloween-y toys like spiders and things like that Emberly has since gotten to. But what I liked about it was that she didn't go like I keep saying she, but that they didn't go completely like bubblegum springy. Like, they kept to their brand. They kept to the gothic aspect of their brand, and I think that that is unbelievably cute and important. So, I've already done my foundation, bronze, blush, brows. I've prepped my eyes because we did not get any of that in this basket, but what we did get is so great. I also have said for a very long time on my channel that I think when you're trying out a new brand, mystery boxes, mystery bags, things that give you like a variety pack, I think is a great way to test out a brand, especially when you're first introducing yourself, because it gives you a little variety. We got some eyeshadow, highlight, lip colors, and setting spray. So what I'm going to do is go in the order that this is in. So each basket will contain an exclusive eyeshadow. It comes in a little egg, and it is a loose powder pigment eyeshadow, and I got Flashbang. This is, I will show you on the back here, it says that it is not lip safe, vegan and cruelty free, but I really do appreciate the fact that it says not lip safe, because a lot of times people will put glitters as well as pigments on their lips. So this is not lip safe. This is the color. Let me swatch it on my hand for you. It's like a mauve-y red. Really beautiful, actually. Not bright, but very, very dull. And I wouldn't really expect anything less from like this kind of a brand, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do is just take like a fluffy shader brush, and I'm just going to pack that on my lids and kind of blend it out. I'm going to take a buffer brush. Not a buffer, a blender. So I'm here for that color. It's very like muted and soft, but it could be like a great transition. I really, really like that. I also shouldn't mention that I have primed my eyes with concealer and set it with a little bit of setting powder. So I can only imagine too that if you put this on like a wet base, that it might show up a little bit more bold. But I still kind of like how it is like on a dry base. Like I said, it's very muted, demure. The pigment is there without being overwhelming. It blended really easily. Yeah, I like that. The next items that we got are exclusive glitters. Now, I got 2 of these. I got Frolicking in Easter Grass, and Butterfly Concerto of Doom. These are the little containers of glitter, and I think I'm gonna try and put like a picture up of each of them because it's so hard to see these or put these up close to the camera. But the one, the Butterfly Concerto of Doom is like a green purple multicolored butterfly glitter with some black music notes, purpley music notes. And then the Frolicking in the Grass are, they're bunnies. They're like flowers and bunnies and things like that. They're so cute. We're not going to use any of the glitters today just because I just want this to be like a wearable look. Our next product that we got is an exclusive face product, and I got the Rumination Highlighter, and it came in this little like skull egg. I don't even know where you get these. I'm sure she got them around Halloween. I'm sure that they got it around Halloween. I love that. Again, it's like a little Easter egg skull. This is the packaging for the highlighter, and this Rumination Highlighter is lip safe. So you can put it on your lips, which again, very important to know. Ooh, it's like a light purple. Let me swatch it for you. That pigmento. Alright, so this is gonna be like a blinding highlight. It is definitely more of like a lilac highlight. Let me try and use this sparingly. Whoa. Yeah, I'm here for that. In the pot, it looks very like matte and muted. It does not look like it's going to show up like this pigmented and bright on your skin. But yeah, that is a highlight if I've ever seen one. I don't know who her supplier is or their supplier is, but dang. So the next product that we got is a lip product, and it is a limited edition liquid lipstick, and I got the shade Hellion. And this, as you can see, is like a nice mauve-y. It kind of looks like the Flashbang eyeshadow. Let's swatch it. Could actually be like a really nice everyday. It doesn't look like ultra pigmented. It looks more like a, what am I trying to say? Like a gloss type liquid lip, but let's try it. I love this color. Like, it has a nice sheen to it. It's like mauve-y. It looks good with my skin coloring. It goes on really, really glossy, and then it dries down pretty quick. But it's comfortable. It doesn't like feel sticky. And as like it dries down, the color kind of builds. Yeah. Yeah, I think I might keep that in my purse. You'll definitely see me wearing this again. Then we got two additional products, which are lip products. The one is a lip gloss, and this one is Composite Personality. This is what it looks like in the tube. And since the name is Composite Personality, I think it's supposed to look that way. You know, it's supposed to kind of like change with you, if you will. And we'll swatch it. So again, really nice. It kind of looks like Hellion. It kind of looks like a glossy version of Hellion. So let me put it on. Take Hellion off, then put it on. I like the gloss. I'm not as sold on the color as a gloss. I like how the gloss feels. Maybe on top of a lip color would look good. And also maybe like as you're wearing it and as you're mixing it, like the gloss will kind of like change, but not my favorite. I do like the formula though. Not sticky, hydrating. Yeah, like I can get on board with that. Another product that we got was another lip product. This one is a lip balm, and it came in a carrot. I did post this on my Instagram because I thought for any like moms or people who needed to create gift baskets for the makeup lover, I thought this was a really cute idea to store lip products in these little like Easter carrots. This one is a lip balm. It's Hypnotic Kiss. I haven't even opened this one yet. Ooh, it smells like cherry. It smells like a wild cherry. Alright, so it's not tinted. It's just a lip balm. And then, last but not least, we got a travel size bottle of their badass setting spray. Mine is in Citrus Ginger. I have not used this yet, so let's use it. The Citrus Ginger scent is really refreshing. It has a nice sprayer in this little like bottle. It said scents will vary. I don't know or how many scents they offer. But yeah, I feel refreshed. I don't know as well like setting spray, like how well it will actually like keep. I'll check in with you or I'll put it down in the description box below. I'm gonna put the Hellion back on. Okay, put Hellion liquid lipstick back on because I'm in love. Also put some mascara on. This is the video. That is everything I got in my little Apocalyptic Beauty Easter basket, mystery Easter basket. And this is the look that I achieved with it. Honestly, loving every single thing. This brand, even though the packaging is like stickers on bottles and things and it might not be like what you're expecting from like the big box stores like a Sephora or an Ulta, this brand is on point. The highlight, the pigmented eyeshadow, the liquid lipstick, the glitters are the cutest. Not disappointed in anything that I got. Honestly, I was looking through their website. I do think that their prices are fairly affordable, as well as they're like on par with where you would or what you would pay for other brands. I will link all of the products that I received down in the description box below, as well as their Instagram and their website so that you can check all of that out on your own time. But I am really excited for this like ongoing series, at least like I'm gonna try once a month to spotlight an independent beauty brand that's like smaller or doesn't have much of a following, because I think that we need to realize that there are other options than just what you find in Ulta and Sephora that are affordable, much like drugstore prices, that aren't necessarily like high-end, even though they're offering us high-end products. Like, look at this highlight. I'm sorry. I can't get over it. I am in love with this highlight. I'm just gonna be like purple all summer. It's gonna be great. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Tell me some independent brands that you are absolutely in love with that I should check out. And I'm talking like independent brands, like either you found them on Instagram, they have under 100,000 followers, under 10,000 followers. Maybe they only have a couple hundred followers. Usually I find them on Instagram. They can be on Etsy. They can be anywhere. Let me know all of your recommendations in the comment section below. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review, tutorial, or unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, guys.